Paano kumain ng nakakamay?
Just grab.
How? Like that? And then? Ay? Ay? Ganyan ba? Careful, Alden. Careful. Ayan. Ikaw, paano kumain ng kakamay? Paano? Taya.
Ano?
Paano nakakamain ng nakakamay?
Ganyan. AJ knows how to eat. Look, he's doing it!
Oh, Angelo, ikaw, paano na kumain ng nakakamay? Paano? Paano? Ganyan.
Hello. I usually scoop with my hands.
Wow. Eso. Yan, kumain. Ikaw din? Ay, ba't ganyan? Ayusin mo kapag kain mo. Ayusin mo. Natatapon. Ayusin. Hindi, bungal. Tingin.
Try the tiniest one.
Can we get rid of
Tiniest
that
noodle.
Which one?
The chicken.
I can eat
It's
that.
not spicy.